Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the exact hardware and firmware. This reduces input conflicts. Once done, plug the approved adapter into the console USB and attach the keyboard and mouse. Make sure to switch the console to wired input mode, then power cycle the system so device enumeration completes. You should see the adapter LED confirm connection. If not, reseat cables. These first steps force the console to accept the alternate input path, which prevents common detection mismatches later on. Next, you update and configure mappings in the adapter or app, because default mappings are often suboptimal. Once updated, assign keys to corresponding controller buttons, prioritizing standard layouts and smoothing sensitivity curves. This maintains predictable aim behavior. Make sure to save a single stable profile and apply it before launching the game. If your adapter offers debounce or aim assist smoothing, enable modest values. They help match console play feel and reduce sudden input spikes that cause issues. Finally, you validate everything in-game. Check menus, aim, and recoil control across short, medium, and long ranges. Once done, refine sensitivity in small steps until aiming feels natural versus controller play. If you encounter drift, lag, or unregistered presses, power down, reseat the adapter, and reflash firmware. Then return to the single saved profile. One key troubleshooting tip: always isolate variables. Change only one setting at a time so you can identify which adjustment fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.